In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully navigate the login process on Udemy. Whether you're a new user just getting acquainted with the platform or someone looking to refresh their memory, this guide will provide you with clear and concise steps to access your account with ease. To get started, let's first outline the initial step in this process, visiting the Udemy website. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer to use. In the address bar perched prominently at the top of your screen, type in udemy.com and hit enter on your keyboard. You should now be greeted by the Udemy homepage, a rich display of various courses and categories designed to pique your educational interest. Now, once you're on the Udemy homepage, your next move is to locate the login page. For this, direct your attention to the top right corner of the web page. You'll notice a login button perched on the navigation bar. Give it a click and you'll be redirected to the login page. Once you've arrived at the login page, you'll see fields for your email address and password. This is where you'll enter the credentials associated with your Udemy account. Ensure you input the email address and password correctly to avoid any hitch in logging in. If you happen to have forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a Forgot Password link nearby. It's a convenient option that you can click to reset your password and regain access to your account, ensuring that you're never locked out of your learning journey. After entering your correct account details, take a deep breath and go ahead to click the Login button. This action should grant you access to the platform and all your saved courses, bookmarks, and recommendations. And there you have it, folks. You are now logged into your Udemy account, ready to explore, learn, and achieve your educational goals. With this simple login guide, you're well on your way to diving back into your saved courses or discovering new ones to feed your curiosity. We hope you found this guide helpful in navigating the Udemy platform and that it makes your login experience smoother and more efficient. Now you're all set to embark upon your learning journey, unravel new skills, and expand your knowledge base. Happy learning!